Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from velocity and acceleration. As per this question, it is given a particle moves along a curve whose parametric equations are x equal to t cube plus t, y equal to minus 3 e to the power minus 2t and z equal to 2 sine 5t, where x, y and z show variations of distance covered by the particle in centimeter with time in seconds. Question is, find the magnitude of acceleration of the particle in centimeter square per second at t equal to 0. T equal to 0 seconds. So first of all, we write down the given condition. X is given actually. So we'll write down x equal to t cube plus 2t and y is equal to minus 3 e to the power minus 2t and z is equal to 2 sine 5t. So we know the magnitude of acceleration is given by this equation. Magnitude of acceleration is given by this equation for a three-dimensional flow. Root under of ax square plus ay square plus az square. Correct? So that means definitely we have to find the value of ax, ay and az. Then only we can substitute and then we can get the answer. So how to find ax, ay and az? So you can see here. So ax formula is here. I am writing full formula. I told you that whenever question from acceleration is coming, you have to write down the full formula. Initially, u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus w dou u by dou z plus dou u by dou t. Ay is equal to u into dou v by dou x plus v into dou v by dou y plus w into dou v by dou z plus dou v by dou t. I know this is a very big equation and difficult to remember. That's why I explained you how to remember this formula. Last one, z u into dou w by dou x plus v into dou w by dou y plus w into dou w by dou z plus dou w by dou t. Now the question is, in the expression for ax, we are not having u, v and w. That is, u, v, w is required, but we are not having u, v, w from the equation. Mostly from the velocity expression we can find out u, v, w. But here it is given in x, y, z. But no problem, we can find u from x. We know that u equal to dx by dt. Using this equation, we can definitely find what is u. So dx by dt is your differentiate this with respect to t, 3t square plus 2. And then your v is equal to dy by dt. So it will come minus 3 e to the power minus 2t into the coefficient minus 2. That will give you altogether 6 e to the power of minus 2t. Correct? Now w, uv w equal to dz by dt. So sine theta differentiation is cos theta. So 2 cos 5t into 5. That is 10 cos 5t. Correct? So now we got the UVW. But what is the good part? You can see in all the expression of UVW, in all the expression of u, v and w, xyz is absent. XYZ is absent in all the three terms. So when you differentiate dou u by dou x, when you do this differentiation dou u by dou x, you will get 0. When you differentiate with respect to x, you will get dou u by dou x equal to 0. Dou u by dou y also 0. Dou u by dou z also 0 because there is no x, y, z present in the u, v, w terms. But dou u by dou t will be there. Similarly, dou v by dou x also 0. Dou v by dou y also 0. Dou v by dou z also 0. So this convective acceleration term is 0. Only the local term is present here. So we have to find ax equal to dou u by dou t. What is dou u by dou t now? Dou u by dou t is your 60. Differentiation of u with respect to t, 60 plus 0. And dou v by dou t is your minus 12 e to the power minus 2t, correct? And dou w by dou t is your minus 50 cos theta represents sine minus sine theta, so minus 50 sine 5t. Okay, now one more condition is given that at t equal to 0, so this will become 0 finally, and e to the power 0 is 1, so it will become minus 12, and sine 0 is 0. So ax is 0 and az is also 0. Only you are left with this term minus 12. So substituting this in the equation, 0 plus minus 12 square plus 0, so you will be getting 144 root under, that is your 12 centimeter per second square. That is the answer. Okay, thank you.